to download Call of Duty Warzone for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can download Call of Duty Warzone for free on your PC or laptop. First, you will need to make sure you have Steam installed on your PC. And if you don't have, you can simply head over to the official website of Steam and you can download the Steam from there. And once you have installed that, you can simply log into your account, and if you don't have one, you can simply create a new one. It's totally free. And now that you are in the Steam, you can simply click on the store tab at the top, and in the search bar you can simply type Call of Duty Warzone and you will see it pop up in the search result. Simply click on it to open the game store page. Now, the great thing about Warzone is that it is completely free to play. On the game store page, you will see a big play button. Click on it and Steam will automatically add Warzone to your library. And once you have done that, you can simply go to the library tab in the Steam and you will find Warzone listed there. You can simply click on it and then hit install. Select the drive where you want to install the game and download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this may take some time as Warzone is pretty large game. In this video, I'm not installing this one, but once your download is complete, the play button will appear and you should see something like this. Click to launch Warzone and you are ready to jump into the action. Choose your loadout, squad up with your friends and dominate the battlefield. And that's it folks. Now you know how to download and play Call of Duty Warzone for free on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.